कांदा लोणचं गुळ आणि मी जाऊन ज्या डब्यामध्ये पाहिलंय त्या डब्यामध्ये फक्त डाळ.
Shiv Sena MLA Santosh Bangar, who joined CM Eknath Shinde's party just hours before the Maharashtra Assembly protest last month, allegedly attacked and beat a private catering manager on Monday, saying low-quality noon meals were supplied to laborers in Hingoli, his constituency. A video of Bangar criticizing the meal and hitting the catering manager has gone viral online. The manager then said the food was waste and was supposed to be thrown, but the MLA didn't listen and smacked him. Under the state's midday meal program, food is given to enrolled workers. The department gives a private contractor the contract. Food is made at the contractor's site and delivered to the workers in Hingoli. Bangar said he got complaints about substandard food supplied to workers, so he visited the kitchen. Bangar said the contractor's meal was extremely bad quality and not on the government's menu. Contact the district collector immediately and suspend those guilty, Bangar says in the video.
तुम्हाला सांगतो की खराब झालेला भात हे असं जेवण तुम्हाला सांगतो की हे द्यायलंय ताबडतोब. माननीय शासनाला माझी विनंती आहे, कोण याच्यावरचे जे अधिकारी आहेत ते ताबडतोब सस्पेंड झाले पाहिजे, त्यांना निलंबित करा. नसता माझ्या पद्धतीनं मी तुम्हाला सांगतो की इथचा एकही तुम्हाला सांगतो कर्मचारी मी इथं राहू देणार नाही. ते काय धंदा लावलाय कलेक्टर साहेबांना स्वतः तिथं सांगा, तिथं येऊन एकदा व्हिजिट द्या म्हणा. आज इथं काय खेळ चाललाय हे जरा बघा.
Indian Journal is now available on your App Store. Download the app now and get all the impactful news on the go. Subscribe Indian Journal to stay updated with the latest news.